Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Webflow website. First, understand that Webflow is a powerful visual development platform. It allows you to design, build, and launch responsive websites without writing a single line of code. This means you can create stunning, professional sites with complete design freedom, all within a user-friendly interface. It's perfect for designers and developers alike. Next, dive into the Webflow Designer. You can start with a blank canvas for full creative control or select one of the many professionally designed templates. The Designer is a visual powerhouse, letting you drag and drop elements like sections, containers, and text blocks. You have granular control over every style, from typography and colors to spacing and responsiveness across various screen sizes. Once your design is taking shape, it's time to add dynamic content and interactivity. Webflow's built-in content management system allows you to create custom content structures for blogs, portfolios, or e-commerce products. You can also add captivating animations and micro-interactions to any element on your page. These features bring your website to life, enhancing user experience without complex coding. Finally, launching your Webflow website is straightforward. Simply connect your custom domain name, and with a few clicks, your site will be live for the world to see. Webflow takes care of all the hosting, security, and performance optimizations, ensuring your site loads quickly and reliably. You can easily make updates and changes at any time, keeping your online presence fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.